Hello friends, this is the question from R.D. Sharma from the topic upstream and the downstream. So the question is saying that a sailor goes 8 kilometer downstream in 40 minutes and returns in 1 hour. Okay, we have to determine the speed of the sailor in still water and the speed of the current. Firstly, we have to understand what is the upstream and the downstream. So here upstream, so here the direction of water is from this side, and our ship is going from this side in the opposite direction of the water, so it is the upstream. So it our equation will be x minus y. Let the speed of boat in still water with this, and speed of water with this. Okay, so it is the downstream. Downstream in is the direction of the water in which both the ship and water will flow in the same direction. Okay, from here let the speed of boat in still water be x kilometer per hour, and the speed of water in is the y kilometer per hour. So here we will add both. Okay, y kilometer per hour. Okay, so we will let the speed of the sailor in still water be x kilometer per hour, and the speed of current be y kilometer per hour. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So in first case it goes 8 kilometer downstream. Okay, so it is downstream, so we will do the plus. Okay, in 40 minutes, so 40 minutes is 40 upon 60, we will convert it into the hour. Okay, so it is 4 by 6 hours. Okay, so in the second case is equal to, it is returning in 1 hour. Okay, so from the returning it will upstream. Okay, so 8 kilometer is as it is, and x minus y is equal to 1 hour. It is equation number second. So we'll form the equation in linear equation. So we will do as like this: 6 8s are 48. Okay, is equal to 4x plus 4y, and from here 1 hour 1 8 is equal to 1x minus 1y. It is our equation number third, and it is our equation number fourth. By using the elimination method, we will multiply here by 1 and here by 4. Okay, it will become 4x plus 4y, y is equal to 48. Okay, and it will become 4x minus 4y is equal to 32. Okay, so we will subtract it, it will be cancel, and it will become 8y, and then this will become 16. Okay, so y is equal to 16 upon 8, we will give it 8 kilometer per hour. Now put the value of y in any equation. Okay, so I am putting the value of y, 4x plus 4 2 is 8 is equal to 48. Okay, so 4x is equal to 8, जब यहाँ जाएगा तो माइनस होता है. ओके, सो इट विल गिव अस 40. so x is equal to 4 upon 40 upon 4, 4 10s are 40. Our x is equal to 10 kilometer per hour. So the still water will be 10 kilometer per hour, and the current will be 2 kilometer per hour. Okay friends, thank you.